like one big family. There. Only we're in different rohes of the Matatua. Purupuru, te tiko, te pāroa, ne. But we're all one family. We can whakapapa to most of the areas, ne. Ka honu haere.
Oh, we're all young birds.
Quinnick. We think young, I think. I think we're young, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're looking for a boyfriend like you.
Look at that. I think we're past that stage.
I know. I didn't even look at boyfriends. Oh.
You know, when you're growing up, you take no notice of things. It's not until Matariki came into being and we thought, but our dad practiced all that. He grew the kumaras only at a certain time and only in a certain place. He would only go fishing and eeling with the boys, and then he'd tell us, no, you can't do that, and can't do this. So he was practicing. I do believe he was doing that and following the moon and the stars. So I think he was practicing Matariki way back then. Yeah, we were too busy playing and not taking too much notice.
Every year here in Whakatāne, Ngāti Awa, we actually have a Matariki series and it's involving the schools and Kapa Haka and any entertainment. And that's the only thing I remember about Matariki was nowadays. I don't actually remember it or recall growing up with Matariki.
We just celebrate the fact that it is a national holiday for Aotearoa and how absolutely wonderful, way overdue.
I'm glad it's coming out because they were trying to split it out, didn't they? Huh. Te tai anō nā mea nā Māori, whakangarohia, but it's coming back. So I'm quite pleased it's come back.
E aha kei te ringa piua, tahi, rua, tori, pa. E aha kei te manuka tutahi. E huinga o te motu e. Ko matatuara menei, ka tuki i Aotearoa. Tahi mano tori rau, rima te kau ke tau. Ka tere mai koe, te moana nui a kiwa, pukuri ai ngā hau, keri ai te moana. Nā waiata te kupune, kia whakatāne a te awia, tūtama wei, tūtama i hihie. Tako toko ka tai, te haiko te whananei, te mana te Māori, purutia kia mau, purutia kia mau. Tāu nei toro i toro, te ihu o te waka, i ahani mai, Hawaiki e, Hawaiki nui, Hawaiki roa, Hawaiki pāmama. Tina! Taiki e! Tēnei mātou ringa piua, tahi, rua, tori, pa. Tēnei mātou te roku nei, o te maroa e. O hiri nei, ia kautau, ua eke mai ki tēnei marae. Aere mai rau, āwhina tiara, te roku nei, i ngā mahi nei, te roku nei, te oka, o ngā waiata, kuariro ki te whapa. Whakahokia, tori, pa. Tēnei mātou te roku nei, o te paroa e. O hiri nei, ia kautau, ua eke mai ki tēnei marae. Aere mai rau, āwhina tiara, te oku nei, i ngā mahi nei, te oku nei, te oka, o ngā hoiana, kuariro ki te whapa. Kuariro ki te whapa. Taiki e.
Ko tēnei waiata, ko nau mai hara mai, ko nā kai tito ko tā māua pāpā, me tōna hoa rangatira.
My partner came down from Te Hapua, yeah, and he was an entertainer, you know, professional entertainer. You were born in that era of Lou and Simon, a duet, yes. Well, that's the Simon. He was the dark one, you know. I brought him back to Te Teko, and he just loved all the maraes around the Rangataiki River, you know. So he asked my dad, which is Apihai, Raimona, if he can write a song about the maraes along the river. So he composed the song, yeah. And then he took it to the maraes, and where all the kuias and kōreros would be there and teach them the song, you know.
Well, when you're Taikura, you don't worry. I mean, yeah, you go this way and kei te pai, and you just, you know, flow with it, because that's who we are and that's what we can do. It's allowed. We've earned the right, you know, when you get hair this colour, you've earned the right to do your own thing. And if we get it, all do it in sync, wonderful. But if not, kei te pai tērā, that's fine also. The name of the waiata is Kōrero, and the composer was our queer, Whakaraki Whiripo. And my sister actually is the only one that carries her name. So in the whole family, I think, thousands of us, and she's the only one that's got the queer's name. So here's this Ngāti Raukawa woman in Ngāti Awa territory, and she composed the song and taught the kids at the Poroporo school. And then we believe the first public performance where the tamariki from Poroporo native school, there were soldiers that came back from the war. So Nan took the Kapa Haka rōpū from the school, and they performed that waiata ko wai tēnei to the soldiers as they returned. And it wasn't until one of the queer, actually from Wairaka, who said, your queer composed that. And then I said, what do you mean she composed that? So it's never been performed outside of our rohe of Ngāti Pūkeko. It's one that we only sing at home or sing on our marae.
So yeah, I'm quite proud that we actually performed this waiata in Ngāti Awa and now Aotearoa and now Te Ao. And that we're just so proud that we're able to do that. I know she's guiding me somewhere, you know, my kuia. I know she's around me all the time. And when I sing this waiata, I believe she's around me because it just comes out. You know, it's just so strong in doing that waiata. And I believe it's got a lot to do with my name, Whakaraki.
We never knew our Nan. She passed before we got to meet her. And so for that reason, I'm just so glad that we were able to do what we did today. So I think, I'd like to think, yeah, Nana and koro, yeah, so here we are. And yeah, we hope you approve.
Ko te haere tonu ki te whai atu, ki te haere tonu ki te ako nā waiata, ki tēnā waiata, ia, i nei waiata, me oku whakaaro, ia, i whāna taku mokopuna, ai, ki te ako, ia. What about your mokos for these waiatas to carry on?
Yes, I got one at Kohanga Reo, and she screams her lungs out for all the better than nannies, I think. Yes, but I hope they carry on with it. They do know, and they got it in here.
He hanga o whakaaro ka waiata ana tātou i ngā waiatara?
Ka pai katoa, hari kua katoa taka ngā kau ka waitangi anei mātou i kone. Nau, kia hau, hari kua katoa taka ngā kau ka te waiata tonu ia e mātou.